What is up, guys? Welcome back to FX Strategy Live. Welcome back to another video. So today, what I possess with me here is a compounding Forex trading plan, which insanely grows a $20 account up to 130,980 in 30 days, or in 30 trades, because the other side is written 30, so it probably might be like 30 trades for you. So if you've been following the YouTube trading, I think last year they came out a plan, a challenge. I think it was a challenge or a plan. I don't know. I have it. I'll probably link them below, both of them. Okay, there are actually three of them. So there's a 20 pip, a 30 pip, and a 50 pip. The one that I'm showing you is a 50 pip, right? It's like a long-term thing, like if you really want to go on with this plan. So this plan that you're looking at on the screen, right? It has got everything that you need for a forex trading plan. It's got the starting balance, which is in this case $20. It has got the percentage risk, the profit percentage, the risk in dollars, the profit in dollars, the stop loss, the take profit pips, the ending balance, right? And the tab which is written completed, which allows you to say, did I complete this or I didn't? And the note side, when you gotta journal your trades, I was scared, I was not scared, I was confident, and right. So what I'm saying is, this trading plan is an opportunity for some. But for me personally, I think it's unachievable. Because when we're looking at a trading plan, there must be some form of feasibility in it. It must be tangible. It must be accessible, like having the potential of being successfully achieved. When I look at this plan, I don't see that, because $20 to 130,000 is a huge gap, guys. That is why in this video we're going to try and explain the disadvantages, the advantages of having this. And then it's you who is going to decide whether you want to try it or not. For those who want it, I'll probably link it below so that you can see it for your own selves. Or maybe the reality can strike. So we have seen this. So the thing is, you started the $20. Your risking percentage is 23%, way beyond the 2% that is recommended on YouTube. Just kidding, guys. I'm very sorry if it was a bad joke, but yeah, it's beyond that. So the profit percentage is 75%, or that's lucrative, attractive, and the risk in dollars, the percentage, the 23% in risk equates to, the $4.50 actually is for the stop loss pips, which is 15, right? And then the profit in dollars is going to be $15, right? And then the take profit in pips is 50. It's always fixed to 50. Excuse me. And then the lot size is 0.03. And then you write, at the end of the first day or the first trade, you must have $35 in that account. Then you write, was it completed or not? And then you write how you felt, or the emotions and everything. That is what you have to write. That is what you write in this step. And you have to follow the same thing until when you come to 30 year, where there is the last trade, which you are supposed to be having 100,000, and then you're going to risk. Let me check something. You're going to be risking 38 pips, and you're going to be using 60 lots, right, in order to achieve a 30,230 take profit. Yeah, that is very attractive, guys. But let me just say, this thing is going to be psychologically draining, because this is a small account. The potentials of it having like emotional stress. You're going to develop emotional stress because the fluctuations that in the market, especially when you're having NST, you're having it as a $20 account in the 20, 35 or that. There is a lot of stress that is attached to such an amount. And there's not much that you can do except wait for it to either take profit or a stop loss. You see, so this might actually ruin you, like hit your confidence when you go up and then you go down. The confidence will be hit hard. So you should try this with a little care. But also on the flip side, this is an opportunity. High return, high money, like the excitement. When I looked at this plan, you're excited. When you look at your $20 in the account, you'll be so excited. You're going to achieve something great. The confidence, which in turn might turn to overconfidence. But the confidence, the thrill, looking at the opportunity, like the one we discussed in the previous video about getting a free funded account. Check out the video up there, So this is another opportunity now. I've become the opportunity channel. I must rename it Opportunity Forex. I just kidding. But there is potential here that is untapped. So it's you who is going to settle down with the plan. See if it's feasible for you. See if it's implementable. If you want to use it, it will be linked below. You can go to it, try it out, and see if it works for you. If it does, please tell me. So what do you think about this trading plan? Is it feasible? Is it tangible? Is it tradable? Is it possible to achieve this? Should we do it? If okay, fine, just write your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I've always said, as I've said in some places, backtest. Wish you all the best. Peace out.